Hey guys, I'm here today making some low carb air fry French toast. Yes, French toast in the air fryer. So if you are interested, keep on watching. Now, I only use one egg. I don't like eggy French toast, it just grosses me out. So I use one egg, some heavy whipping cream, and cinnamon. That's about it. I just go ahead and whip that up real good. I like to incorporate it. I don't like my egg mixture clumpy at all or thick, so I do mix mine a lot, just to a very thin consistency. So that's what you're gonna see me doing right now. There's all that good old cinnamon. Yes. Mix it in there real good. All right, there's the bread that I'm using. Very low carb. It's only 6 net carbs per slice, y'all. 6 net carbs, crazy. This is it right here. I'll put a link to it down below where I buy it. I get it from netrition.com. I buy it in bulk, y'all. This bread is just delicious. It's Italian bread. Low carb. What? All right, so getting my air fryer together. Go ahead and dip that in there real good. Like to soak it up. Get it in there good. The mixture is the perfect amount for 2 slices, so I like that. It's not too wasteful. So this last slice, I try to get all the rest of it as much as possible. So I'm just mixing it in there, incorporating it, getting it in the bread, soak it up, all that good stuff. And just throw it right on in the air fryer. I do put some melted butter at the bottom of the air fryer. It adds a nice crispiness to the bread. Go ahead and pop it in my Ninja for 8 minutes. I flip it at 4 minutes, so 4 minutes each side. And this is the golden goodness. Look how good that looks, y'all. Love it. And then I sprinkle some powdered sweetener on top. I use Swerve. I get the big bag right here off of Amazon, so check out Amazon if you are interested in this. This is the syrup that I use, Chalk Zero. Love this stuff. It is so thick and just yummy. I'm obsessed with it. Here's the finished product, y'all. I paired it with some scrambled eggs seasoned with some salt and pepper, a piece of beef kielbasa, which is delicious, and look at that syrupy goodness. Love it.